Okay, this is a review on the Nina Ottoson dog brick puzzle, and I actually got this from my two cats, Candy and Frisco. And Candy is the only one that really knows how to use it. Frisco is, well, he's lazy. And he doesn't want to learn how to use it, he just wants you to give him the treats. The closest he's come to using it is just licking this part. So this is kind of what it looks like once Candy's done with it, getting all her treats. So let's put some treats in it, and hopefully Candy will want to demonstrate. Frisky. So treats. I usually do one because Candy's cholesterol is kind of high right now. So each piece slides forward and then it slides back, and then in the center, come on Candy, in the center you fit these bone treats, and they just kind of fit over like this. And then the object of the game is to learn how to remove the bone first, get the treat, and then slide and get the treat. Because if you try to slide, the bone in the center is like a locking, so you can't get to the side pieces. It also has a little bit of instruction here. This slides, and the bone is supposed to, oh, this is a dog. This is a dog face. Yes, he's a dog face. You taking the bone, getting the treat, and then this part slides. Okay. So yeah, Frisco knows they're in there, but he doesn't really know how to get to them. But he can smell them. Candy is being a fart, and she's not coming over. Candy, come on. Come on. Come on. There she goes. Okay, so that's pretty much the gist of it. Sometimes she'll leave some of them covered and come back to it at a different point in the day, or sometimes she'll pig out and eat all of them. You can put whatever kind of treat you want in there. It's plastic, so you could even, if you really wanted to, put like some wet food, or if you have a, I don't know, if you have like a scared cat that you're trying to like maybe get it used to you and get it more confidence, you could actually put in some like baby food, and that might actually really help build confidence and be fun for other cats if they're having a hard time smelling out their treats. Um, those treats were the party mix, were the party mix beachside crunch or whatever, which are her favorites. Um, even with Frisco's favorite treat, which are the freeze-dried chicken treats, he still won't be able to figure it out. So I've had this since 2014, about a year now. I got it last summer, and as you can see, there's actually a bit of wear on, you can see it mostly on the brown. The only thing I can think of is that it's from like the saliva of Candy and maybe even Frisco when he licks it. But like, cause she puts her nose here, and then once this is like up, she puts her nose here, and she'll move it with her face sometimes, not always with her paw. So these are very smooth, and for cats it's actually really kind of hard to get them out, which is better because it takes them longer, has them thinking. But in the beginning, Candy really didn't understand what to do because she couldn't move these. So what I did was I took some regular string and I just strung it around this and through the hole and like over here, so I kind of made like a little package of this, and made like a knot and a loop with the string up top. And sorry I don't have one to show you, but she figured it out really quickly when I did that, because it was an easy way for her to like grab with her mouth and hook on with her claw to one of the bones and then just pull it out. And she learned really quickly from that, and within like, I'd say within a couple weeks, I didn't have to use the string anymore. So as you can see, Frisco still thinks there's something in there, and there is, but he's too lazy to try and figure it out. So overall, I really like this product. I've thought about getting the other products from Nina Ottoson. Here's her. Well, that's like, says her name there. Nina Ottoson, and it says Sweden. So this is the dog brick, and she has several other dog puzzles, and I thought about getting them, but I haven't. This one I got off Amazon for $21 from Company of Animals, and right now it's actually more expensive. Let's see. Yeah, right now it's actually like almost $26 from the same company. Maybe I got it on sale, I'm not sure. But I highly recommend this product if you have cats that love treats, but you know, you want a more exciting way or challenging way for them to find them and eat them. And it's just like overall kind of fun. Candy really likes hunting for her treats. I'll hide them around the apartment and she loves to go find them. So this is kind of like instinctual hunting, you know, you gotta like uncover your prey, I guess you could say. So any comments or questions about the product, let me know, post below, and that's it. Bye.